Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to help you fix if you're getting call failed on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. If you're trying to make various phone calls and you keep getting the message on your iPhone that the call has failed, there are a few different steps that we can go through to get that working and to make sure that you're able to make various calls. Now, the very first thing that I'll have you do is swipe down from the top right here, and we will want to turn airplane mode on, wait about like 10 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it off again. So that will reconnect to your cellular network and reset everything. Potentially you just had a spot that had bad cell signal, and then doing this kind of resets your connection to that network. The next thing that we can do is go into our settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we find cellular. So we'll tap on cellular, and you'll see the option that says Wi-Fi calling. And we'll tap on that, and you want to make sure Wi-Fi calling is turned on. This is really helpful because if you have a bad internet or a bad cell connection, then what it will do is it will assist that call with Wi-Fi. So if you're on Wi-Fi but have not great signal, then it will use some of that Wi-Fi to make the call instead of just the cell network. And this is great if you're in an area that perpetually has bad cell signal. So I always turn this on, Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. So that's really helpful. Of course, you will at the top want to make sure the cellular data is turned on. And then you can see cellular data options. I can tap on that, and you'll want to make sure where it says voice and data, that's on 5G auto. So this will choose the very best internet or cellular network that you can access in that area. And again, this will help make those calls so they don't get failed or drop when you're in the middle of the phone calls. So let's go back out of here. We've gone through those steps. The next thing that I would recommend doing is potentially removing your SIM card and putting it back in. So you'll need a little paper clip, and on the bottom left of your iPhone, you can see a little kind of indentation where you can insert that paper clip to remove your physical SIM card, and then you can put it right back in. That kind of resets the cellular network and resets the connection and should be able to help with ever you get kind of those calls failed or anything like that. Now, another thing that I would recommend doing is let's open up the phone app and let's go to one of these random, say, phone calls, and you can hit the I next to it. And if it is a phone with an iPhone with FaceTime, right under the phone number you can see FaceTime options. There's a little video camera or a little phone icon. And this, if you hit the phone icon, calls through FaceTime audio. So this calls over your internet connection like a FaceTime call, but just not with that video camera enabled. And that's a really great way to make a call if you have a bad cell signal, and the call won't fail, so it'll rely solely on your internet connection to be able to make that. The next thing, if we open up settings here again, and we scroll down until we get to general, and then we will scroll down until we get to transfer or reset iPhone. And then we can hit reset, and we'll want to hit reset network settings. So go ahead and enter your password in. By resetting those network settings, we'll reset how we connect to those cellular network and the data and the cellular plan and the towers and all that stuff. And that will help if you're getting those call failed perpetually. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.